In a world filled with questions, where wisdom knows no boundaries, join us on a journey of enlightenment and endless learning. Eternal Teachings. TV. Discover the eternal.
In the annals of human history, the year 2011 marked a pivotal moment. It was the year NASA's Kepler Space Telescope confirmed the existence of Kepler-22b. This exoplanet, a world orbiting a distant star, captured our collective imagination. It was a symbol of hope, a testament to the boundless possibilities that lay hidden among the stars. Kepler-22b, located 600 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus, quickly became a prime candidate for harboring life. Its size, twice the radius of Earth, hinted at vast landscapes waiting to be explored. Its orbit within the habitable zone of its star, Kepler-22, suggested the potential for liquid water. The discovery of Kepler-22b ignited a spark, a yearning to reach out and uncover the secrets of this alien world. Could this distant planet be our next home? Could it harbor life as we know it? Or even more astounding, life beyond our wildest imaginations? These questions echoed through the halls of science, sparking a new era of space exploration. By the dawn of the 22nd century, humanity stood on the precipice of a new frontier. The dream of reaching Kepler-22b, once a distant whisper, had evolved into a tangible goal. Generations had dedicated themselves to overcoming the immense technological challenges of interstellar travel. Resources were pooled, the brightest minds collaborated, and slowly, the impossible began to seem within reach. The year 2200 marked the culmination of centuries of research and development. The ISV Interstellar Voyager, a vessel of unparalleled technological prowess, stood ready. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a shining beacon of our ambition to touch the stars. Aboard the Voyager was a carefully selected crew. Scientists, engineers, botanists, and astronauts, each a master in their field, each driven by an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. They represented the best of humanity, united in their mission to explore the unknown. Their courage knew no bounds, their resolve unwavering as they prepared to face the vastness of space. The world watched with bated breath, a symphony of hope and trepidation resonating across the globe. The journey to Kepler-22b was not merely a scientific endeavor. It was a pilgrimage, a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration that resided within the human heart. The ISV Interstellar Voyager was more than just a spaceship. It was an engineering marvel, a testament to the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity. It represented the pinnacle of human achievement, a beacon of hope and ambition in the vast expanse of space. It was a vessel designed to conquer the very fabric of space-time, a floating city capable of sustaining life for generations. Within its walls, families thrived, scientists conducted groundbreaking research, and explorers prepared for the unknown. Its construction had pushed the boundaries of material science and propulsion technology, drawing upon the combined knowledge of centuries. The collaboration of the world's greatest minds had birthed this marvel, a symbol of unity and progress. At its heart lay a revolutionary fusion drive, a technological leap that allowed the Voyager to achieve speeds unimaginable just a century prior. This engine was the beating heart of the ship, a marvel of engineering that harnessed the power of the stars. This engine, fueled by the very essence of stars, propelled the ship across the cosmic gulf, shrinking the vast distances between stars. It was a bridge between worlds, a conduit for humanity's dreams of interstellar travel. The Voyager's hull, a symphony of advanced alloys and force fields, shielded its precious cargo from the hazards of interstellar travel radiation, micrometeoroids, and the unforgiving cold of the void. It was a fortress in the stars, a guardian of life. Inside, the Voyager was a self-contained world. Hydroponics bays provided sustenance, recycling systems ensured the ship's lifeblood remained pure, and advanced artificial gravity systems mimicked the comforting pull of home. It was a delicate balance of technology and nature, a microcosm of Earth. The Voyager was not just a mode of transportation. It was a lifeline, a sanctuary hurtling through the cosmos, carrying the hopes and dreams of humanity on its metallic shoulders. It was a promise of a future among the stars, a testament to our enduring spirit. Every corridor, every compartment hummed with the quiet efficiency of a technological marvel. The ship was alive with the hum of machinery, the soft whispers of air systems, and the distant chatter of its inhabitants. The Voyager was a testament to the power of the human spirit, our unwavering resolve to explore the unknown, to reach out and touch the face of the cosmos. It was a journey of discovery, a quest for knowledge, and a voyage to our destiny among the stars. Section 4. A Sea of Stars, the Perils and Wonders of Interstellar Travel. The journey to Kepler-22b was an odyssey unlike any other, a voyage through the vast and uncharted territories of interstellar space, where the unknown beckoned with both promise and peril. As the Voyager left the familiar embrace of our solar system, the crew bore witness to sights of unimaginable beauty and faced challenges that tested the limits of human endurance. The vastness of space stretched out before them, a canvas of infinite possibilities and dangers. The ship sliced through the void at unimaginable speeds. The Milky Way transformed into a river of stars, a cosmic tapestry woven with threads of light and shadow. Each star they passed was a beacon of hope and a reminder of the vast distances they had yet to travel. The crew watched in awe as nebulae painted across the cosmic canvas, vast clouds of gas and dust where stars were born and died. These celestial wonders were both beautiful and humbling, a reminder of the universe's ever-changing nature. They observed distant galaxies, islands of light in the ocean of space, their existence a testament to the universe's vastness. Each galaxy held the potential for new discoveries, new worlds, and new challenges. But the beauty of interstellar space was a siren song, masking the ever-present dangers. Cosmic phenomena, both wondrous and deadly, lurked in the shadows, waiting to test the mettle of the Voyager and its crew. The crew battled bouts of space madness, a psychological toll exacted by the isolation and confinement. The vast emptiness of space weighed heavily on their minds, challenging their sanity and resolve. They navigated treacherous asteroid fields, cosmic debris that threatened to tear the Voyager asunder. Each maneuver required precision and nerves of steel, as one wrong move could spell disaster. They endured solar flares from distant stars, their fury testing the limits of the ship's defenses. The intense radiation and heat pushed the ship's systems to their breaking point, demanding constant vigilance and quick thinking from the crew. Through each challenge, the crew persevered. Their determination and resourcefulness were their greatest assets, allowing them to overcome obstacles that seemed insurmountable. Their camaraderie deepened, their resolve strengthened by the shared experience of pushing the boundaries of human exploration. The bonds they formed were unbreakable, forged in the crucible of interstellar travel. They knew they were pioneers, their every step a leap into the unknown, their every success a testament to the human spirit's ability to overcome even the most daunting obstacles. Their journey was not just a mission, but a legacy, a beacon of hope for future generations of explorers. Section 5. Arrival at Kepler-22b. First Impressions. After decades of travel, the moment had finally arrived. The crew had spent years in preparation, training, and anticipation, and now the culmination of their efforts was within sight. The crew of the ISV Interstellar Voyager gathered on the observation deck, their faces a mixture of anticipation and awe. Each member of the team had their own reasons for embarking on this journey, but in this moment, they were united by a shared sense of wonder. The ship's advanced sensors had detected Kepler-22b, no longer a distant point of light, but a planet of swirling blue and green, a jewel against the backdrop of a foreign sun. The sight was more breathtaking than any simulation or image they had seen before. As the Voyager pierced through the exoplanet's atmosphere, gasps of wonder echoed through the observation deck. The descent was smooth, a testament to the ship's engineering and the crew's skill. Below them, a vibrant world unfolded. Oceans shimmered like sapphires, continents sprawled across the surface like emerald tapestries, and clouds swirled in mesmerizing patterns. The planet's beauty was almost surreal, a living painting that defied description. It was a sight that surpassed their wildest dreams, a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for wonder. The crew felt a profound connection to this new world, a sense of belonging that transcended the vast distances they had traveled. The first scans revealed an atmosphere teeming with nitrogen and oxygen, the telltale signs of a life-sustaining environment. This discovery was monumental, confirming that Kepler-22b had the potential to support life as they knew it. Gravity readings were within acceptable parameters, a testament to the planet's ability to hold on to an atmosphere. This meant that the crew could move and operate on the surface without the need for extensive adaptation. The presence of liquid water, confirmed by the sprawling oceans and intricate river systems, ignited a firestorm of excitement among the crew. Water was the key to life, and its abundance on Kepler-22b opened up endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Excitement crackled through the ship, palpable and infectious. The crew members exchanged smiles and cheers, their spirits lifted by the realization that they were on the brink of a new era of exploration. They had reached their destination, a planet that held the potential for life, a world ripe for exploration. The journey had been long and arduous, but the rewards were beyond their wildest expectations. The crew of the Voyager, pioneers from a distant world, had arrived at Kepler-22b, ready to unravel its mysteries and unlock its secrets. They stood on the threshold of a new frontier, eager to begin the next chapter of their extraordinary journey.